but it wobbles. Yeah, that's bad. That's a bad bearing. So when the bearing lets go, water comes out through this membrane, and it comes out this hole right here, and it starts to leak. But when it gets so egregious that it's making a lot of noise and racket like this was doing, and the water actually started coming out here, and you can actually see signs of where water was coming out, and just as it was spinning, the centrifugal force was just spinning it out everywhere. You can even see signs of it all up here.